what's up, y'all? It's the founder. Just giving a shout out to Travis, TNA Fan Zone Network, the whole crew. We want to thank you guys for plugging the shows, doing the shows. Check them out. I hope everybody loved Homecoming, and we have plenty more where that came from. Hope everybody's doing good. Once again, Travis, the whole crew, thanks.